afternoon, everyone. In this lesson, we will study the construction of surface drainage facilities for subgrade. The construction processes and methods of side ditches, catchwater drains, and drainage ditches have many similarities. For the convenience of description, when referring to their common aspects later, we will collectively call them channels. The construction of ditches generally includes the following contents: construction preparation, followed by surveying and setting out, channel excavation, manual trimming, and after that, passing the ditch inspection and reinforcing the ditches. Since high-grade highway surfaces have a large water collection area, and the excavation side slopes are both high and long, resulting in a large amount of water flowing into the side ditches, it is common to place concrete cover plates with chop holes on the top of the side ditches for driving safety and to increase the visual width of the road surface. Therefore, the construction process for this type of side ditch can be described as first positioning and lofting, then excavating the channel, manual trimming, channel inspection, masonry and building construction for the channel bottom and sides and inspection, smoothing the surface of the channel bottom and sides or pointing, transporting cover plates and cleaning out the sealed and settlement joints in the side ditches, and finally installing the cover plates and leveling the exposed top surface of the side ditches. Ditches are divided into clay channels and stone channels, each with slightly different construction methods. Let's first look at the construction method of clay channels. First, carry out construction preparation, survey and setting out. Then excavate the channel. Finally, perform manual trimming, ditch inspection, and ditch reinforcement. The excavation of stone channels, whether by manual or mechanical construction, requires blasting to loosen the rock before excavating it into shape. However, this method can easily lead to over-excavation, so it is necessary to control the location of the blast holes and the amount of explosives. The over-excavated part should be repaired with mortar rubble, concrete, or mortar. Other construction steps are the same as those for clay channels. There are several methods for reinforcing ditches. 1. Compaction reinforcement of the surface of earth ditches. 2. Earth materials reinforcement. 3. Single-layer dry stacked stone reinforcement. 4. Single-layer planted cobblestone reinforcement. 5. Mortar rubble reinforcement. 6. Asphalt concrete impermeable layer. 7. Cement concrete reinforced impermeable layer. 8. Membrane impermeable. 9. Frost heave prevention measures. Next, we will study the construction processes of hydraulic drop structures and chutes. First, there is construction preparation, survey and setting out, then channel excavation and cleaning, ditch inspection, channel masonry and building, inlet and outlet paving, and energy dissipation pool execution, and finally, inspection and acceptance. For channel excavation, I would like to add something for everyone. In soil or deeply weathered side slopes, manual excavation or direct mechanical excavation can be used. In rocky slopes, blasting can be used for excavation. Channel excavation should be leveled and compacted immediately. The methods for channel masonry and building, inlet and outlet paving, and the construction of energy dissipation pools are similar. Everyone should pay attention to the masonry and building sequence, mortar requirements, stone placement requirements, stone masonry and building requirements, joint pointing requirements, and concrete pouring construction requirements. The construction process of siphons is relatively complex, and the following steps can be generally used: survey and setting out, foundation pit excavation, culvert prefabrication, culvert construction, shaft construction, quality inspection, and ditch backfilling around the culvert. The excavation of pits and channels can be divided into mechanical excavation and manual excavation. When the channel foundation pit is over-excavated, it should be filled with sand or gravel. The construction of flumes is a major supporting structure construction, and the construction process uses the following steps: survey and setting out, supporting structure construction, channel construction, and inlet and outlet construction. The excavation of the foundation pit can be done mechanically or manually, and it should be carried out layer by layer and section by section from top to bottom. Measures should be taken to avoid water accumulation in the foundation pit. When pouring the foundation underbed, the bedrock surface should first be moistened, and the cement mortar with a thickness of 3 to 5 centimeters and greater than M10 should be laid. And then the underbed concrete should be poured according to design requirements. After the underbed concrete strength reaches 2.5 megapascals, the upper masonry and building construction can proceed. The construction of bridge piers and channel support beams can be done with prefabrication and installation or cast in place. The inlet and outlet areas, that is, both sides of the channel, should be jointed. Through studying the above content, everyone has mastered the construction of surface drainage facilities in subgrade engineering construction. I believe everyone can apply this knowledge well in future studies and work, fully embody the spirit of craftsmanship, and contribute to the development of China's highways.